Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde collection. I wanted to give you guys a quick walk around video for our 1967 Porsche 912 that we have on bat right now. Gorgeous car, driver quality for sure. Color change car from Irish green to what I believe to be polo red, which would be the correct color for this vintage car. I have it parked next to Guards red, so you can see Guards is quite a bit brighter, quite a bit more orange in it. But a nice job, not a show quality job, as many of us can easily point out, but definitely a car that you can use and enjoy, and it will still turn heads wherever it goes. Trust me, because I've been in the car. Everyone loves it. Very pretty. It's a solid car. It's not a rusty car, and runs great. And I think that's probably the best part of this car is how well it runs, folks. It starts easily. It drives well. It's a 4-speed car, which I like, and it's a 5-gauge car, which is cool too. So it's a really neat one. I love the chrome wheels. I love the vintage look of this car. The seats have been redone, obviously, but they're gorgeous and perfect. The carpet's all nice in the car. Dashboard, headliner's great. You know, it's got the cool steering wheel. Vintagey stereo, which could probably go. That's something fun a new owner can do. But yeah, I love it. Let me do a cold start since we have it over here. Runs great. Motor sounds great. This car doesn't smoke. It doesn't drip any oil. I like to feather the gas until it gets warmed up, and then it idles. Then it idles well. Oh, there's no flat spots in the revving. Yeah, sounds great, guys. Yeah, it's still a little cold to be letting the idle off, so. But once it warms up, it idles fine, drives great, and you can see the drive video if you guys would like. That is posted to the auction as well. So if there's more you want to see, I'm happy to film more stuff. We're happy to do more pictures. I'll do some outside photography as well. Yeah, ask questions in the comments. Oh, I did do some research on the distributor. It is an aftermarket distributor. The story I got is that a lot of these distributors needed to be rebuilt over the years, and it was cheaper to just buy new ones, and that's what happened. All right, guys, happy bidding. Let us know if we can help.